Semiconductor index, SMH. So they're having like a great week as well, but last 3 days, semi is actually weak and sellers to control. Look at this pivot, critical pivot here, 325. So if we go below 325, which is gonna be the October low, that's gonna be a scary part because we can elevator down all the way to 290 to 80. So this is the institutional level that I'm looking at, and that would be a great buying opportunity, to be honest. SOXX, the same here, the same critical pivot here, 272. If we go below this October low, then it's gonna elevate it down all the way to 240, which is gonna be huge buying opportunity. Look at the NVIDIA stock here. We had a nice move to the upside. Earning, it is coming down the road into 3 weeks. So be careful on the NVIDIA because it had a huge momentum. Usually earning is pretty good. And I doubt NVIDIA goes bad with earning. But it depends on market sentiment. If sentiment is looking for more than potentially 50, 60% and NVIDIA just come up with 20% bit, so market doesn't like it. It is still amazing earning, but market doesn't like it. It can go down. So if it goes below 177, look at the critical pivot here, 177. It can go all the way down to 153, which is going to be a very nice sweet spot for investors and traders at the same time. To be honest, I'm looking for this area to buy back NVIDIA. I have NVIDIA portfolio. I'm not going to share here. It's going to be reserved for my subscribers, for those ones who are inside my Safi Financial Network investment channel. When you are in investment channel, you will see my live portfolio, what I sell, what I buy, and you will see that. Took profit nicely at the top, and I'm just waiting for a pullback to again add more shares because this is a sound company. This is fundamentally strong company, and when market sentiment goes down, we should take advantage of this. 150 to 153, that's the area I'm looking for. But before that, keep an eye on 177. AMD, this week, I believe Tuesday, we will have earning for AMD. So keep an eye on this because already we got above 256. We need to hold above this. We shouldn't go below that. If it goes below that, it's going to go all the way down potentially to 203. Everything is up to the earning, but already it has a fantastic move to the upside and it can go a lot higher. So we will see if it stays above this 256. It can go to 270, but if it doesn't, it can go all the way down to 200, and then it can go to 170, 173, 183. That would be the nice sweet spot that I want to accumulate more AMD. Taiwan Semiconductor and the SOXX, kind of like a forming a double top, even kind of like a forming a lower high. If it goes below 282, it can go all the way down to 230. Texas Instrument, it already got into my sweet spot. I added some shares here and I will add more if it goes down. So we will see how it goes with Instrument. I love this company. This is a monopoly in the monologue chips and semiconductors, which is used for military bases as well. Moving on to the Lam Research. Lam Research is going down after a huge run. Wednesday, Thursday, new all-time high, and on Friday it goes down. So Lam Research, keep an eye on this pivot because the first pivot is going to be 153. If it goes down, keep an eye on October low. October low is 131, which is still below this level. But if it goes below 131, it can go all the way down to 100 level. So we'll see how it goes with Lam.